Everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 5 to the power of x times 25 to the power of x. This is equal to 50. So what is the value of x? Now let's provide a solution from here. So we have 5 to the power of x multiplied by 25 to the power of x, which you can express as 5 to the power of 2 raised to the power of x. This is equal to 50. 5 to the power of 2 to the power of x. This is in the form of a to the power of n raised to the power of m, which we can express as a to the power of n times m. Applying this exponent property, then here we have 5 to the power of x times 5 to the power of 2x. This is equal to 50. 5 to the power of x times 5 to the power of 2x. This is in the form of a to the power of n times a to the power of m, which we can express as a to the power of n plus m. So here we have 5 to the power of x plus 2x. This is equal to 50. So this implies that we have 5 to the power of x plus 2x. This is 3x. And this is equal to 50. To solve for x here, we introduce logarithm on both sides so that we have log 5 to the power of 3x. This is equal to log 50. Log 5 to the power of 3x, this is in the form of log a to the power of n, which we can express as n log a. Applying this power rule property from here, then we have log 5 to the power of 3x becomes 3x. This is log 5. This is equal to log 50. So let's divide both sides by log 5 and also here log 5. So let's simplify here log 5 and log 5 so that we have 3x. This is equal to log 50 divided by log 5. We can express 50. This is the same thing as 5 to the power of 2 multiplied by 2. So therefore here we have 3x. This is equal to log 5 to the power of 2 multiplied by 2 divided by log 5. Now, log 5 to the power of 2 times 2, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property, then here we have 3x. This is equal to log 5 to the power of 2 divided by log 5, then plus log 2 divided by log 5. Now, log 5 to the power of 2, this again is in the form of log a to the power of n, which we can express as n log a. Applying this power rule property, here we have 3x. This is equal to log 5 to the power of 2 becomes 2 log 5 divided by log 5, then plus this is log 2 divided by log 5. So let's simplify log 5 and log 5 here so that we have 3x. This is equal to 2 plus, now here we have log 2 divided by log 5. Now, log 2 divided by log 5, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. So let's apply this logarithm property from here so that now here we have 3x. This is equal to 2 plus log 2 to base 5. Now let's divide both sides by 3 so that now here we have that x is equal to, this is 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3. This is log 2 to base 5. Now here we have x is equal to 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 2 to base 5, and a third is common here, so we can factor out a third into the parentheses. This is 2 plus log 2 to base 5. So this is the value of x from here. The next step from here is to verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. So let's verify from here. Now, if you recall, we end at 5 to the power of x times 25 to the power of x. This should give us a value of 50. Now we have 5 to the power of x times 25 here, which is 5 to the power of 2 raised to the power of x. This should give us a value of 50. So this is 5 to the power of x times 5 to the power of 2x. This should give us a value of 50. Now, 5 to the power of x times 5 to the power of 2x. This is in the form of a to the power of n times a to the power of m, which we can express as a to the power of n plus m. So this implies that here we have 5 to the power of x plus 2x. This is 3x. This should give us a value of 50. So let's substitute the value of x from here. So we have 5 to the power of 3 multiplied by x, which is a third, into the parentheses. This is 2 plus log 2 to base 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 50. So let's simplify 3 and 3 from here. Therefore, we have 5 to the power of 2 plus, here we have log 2 to base 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 50. So 5 to the power of 2 plus log 2 to base 5. This is in the form of a to the power of n plus m, which we can express as a to the power of n times a to the power of m. Applying this exponent property, then we have 5 to the power of 2 times 5 to the power of log 2 to base 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 50. 5 to the power of log 2 to base 5. This is in the form of a to the power of log b to base a, and this is equal to b. So applying this logarithm property, then here we have 5 to the power of log 2 to base 5. This should give us a value of 2. So let's substitute these 2 here. So 5 squared, this is 25, multiplied by 2. This should give us a value of 50. So 25 times 2, this is 50, which is equal to 50. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this affirms that the value of x here, which is equal to 1 over 3, into the parentheses, this is 2 plus log 2 to base 5, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video.